We've been reading the story The Dot this week, and we've also been talking about the story elements that we can use to help us talk about books that we read. We use the retelling hand to help us with the story elements of the story. Remember, we talked about the characters, the setting, the beginning, the middle, and the end. The character in the story The Dot is Vashti. She is the main character. The setting is an art class at school. Today we're going to talk about what happens at the beginning of the story. In the beginning of the story, they also talk about the problem. What's Vashti's problem? If you said that she can't draw, you're right. That is the problem in the story. Now we're going to record that in our reading response notebook. We're going to use the page that we've been working on this whole week.
Remember, we're using the page that we've been using this whole week. We wrote the title of the book at the top, The Dot, and we underlined it because the title of books are always underlined. We wrote the date from when we started this reading response. We started it on Monday, September 14th, 2020. We've already recorded the main character, and we use the code C. We've already recorded the setting of the story, and we use the code S. Today, we're going to use the third box down below, and we're going to record the beginning of the story. We're going to write a square in the top left corner, and inside that square, we're going to use the letter B. Now, remember, the beginning tells us the problem of the story. Vashti's problem was that she can't draw. I'm going to try and draw a picture of Vashti not being able to draw. Then I'm going to use words to explain my picture. When I think of not being able to draw, I think of a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm going to label this pencil, paper. And now I'm going to write, she can't draw. Let me stretch out the sounds that I hear. Shh. I know SH makes that sound. E. And E makes the last sound. Now I'm going to use a finger space so I make sure that I space my words correctly. Can. Oh, I remember how to spell the word can. We have a song. C-A-N. She can. Now we're going to write not. Finger space. Let me stretch out that word. That's the sound an N makes. Aw. That's the sound an O makes. That's the sound a T makes. She can not. Draw is the last word that I want to write. Draw. Draw. I think that sounds like a J, so I'm going to put a J. That kind of sounds like an O. Maybe a W? It's okay if I didn't spell it right, because I did the best that I could. I recorded the beginning of the story. Remember, the beginning also tells us the problem. The problem of our story, The Dot, is that Vashti cannot draw. Now it's your turn. You record the beginning of the story, The Dot, on your paper.